Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making instant cornflake cereal Chivda. So let's get started. Add 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 slit green chilies and some curry leaves. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted cashew nuts and 2 to 3 tablespoons of raisins, and saute for few minutes. Turn off the heat. Add 2 cups cornflake cereal, half a tablespoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of fine granulated sugar and a quarter teaspoon of table salt, and quickly toss the ingredients. All the ingredients should blend well. Serve the Chivda with some tea or coffee or as a snack. So if you like watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.